guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Now, I'm basically recording this to tell you that I've already done a video like 6 times trying to sort this out. I hope it sounds okay, because I've been messing with that just because it needs to be good. And I want to also a quick question, because I want to know what you guys' game you actually want me to play, because I'm struggling on what to play. I've done a few Apex, not gone viral, whatever. Yeah, okay, I've only got 13 subs. Even if it gets 2 likes, I don't care. It's something, and it's something I enjoy and do. But I don't get supported, so my mum and dad don't want me to do it. So if I find out, I'll probably be grounded, but whatever, I don't care, because YouTube is my life. Anyway, so all the games on the left are the ones that you can play, or ask me to play. So you've got... No, I'm just kidding. You got Rust, Apex, you got Fortnite, Gmod/Garry's Mod, Scrap Mechanic, Atlas, Bloons TD6, Trailmakers Minecraft Launcher /Minecraft, Rust, Bloons TD Battles, and then Steam. Obviously you can't play Steam because it's not a thing, but games on Steam, you've got all of these. So you got most of the ones on there. Bloons TD5, yes, I can play, but I have Bloons TD6, so I don't play TD5 no more. Then you've got, I guess, the Escapists, actually. I'll have to install that. Garry's Mod, you got Raft, Rocket League, need to install it. I'm not very good at it either, I will admit. Then you got Rust, you got Scrap Mechanic, you got Stranded Deep, however I will have to install it. Trailmakers, you can play, and YouTubers Live, but I have to install it. The reason why all of these are here is because I recently had to restart my PC. I've had it a bit, so I've managed to install most games. Still need to install some, and also there is one last thing. I can play this game. So if you guys want me to play Roblox, probably Jailbreak or something on it, then yeah. I guess have fun. Comment it down in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, if you're even at the end of this. But if it just means a lot if anybody even watches my videos. I don't even care. Even if it's just one person, it just boosts me. And they watch me all the way through, it just boosts me. So if you watch all the way through, comment comment, what should be a good thing to comment? Okay, comment Dogs for Life, and then underneath it, put what you want to see. Anyway guys, that's going to be it for today, and I hope you all are having a great, fantastic day, and I'll talk to you all later. Also probably going to be doing a live stream, so keep an eye out for that.